Hello everyone, welcome to Bodhisattva IS. Today we will learn about newspaper and journals of modern history. First newspaper of India was Bengal Gazette. It was started by James Augustus Hickey in 1780 from Calcutta. There was one more Bengal Gazette which was started by Mr. Harish Chandra Ray. This was the first Bengali newspaper, but it was daily. The newspaper started by James Augustus Hickey was weekly. Okay. Then came Madras Courier and Bombay Herald. These are also first newspaper from Madras and Bombay itself, started in 1784 and 1789. There was one more important newspaper of that time, that is India Gazette, which was started by Henry Louis Vivian de Rosio. Henry Louis Vivian de Rosio was also important for its Young Bengal movement. He has started a journal known as Gyanveshan, a newspaper known as Hesperus, and was also associated with Calcutta Library Gazette, India Gazette, and East India. Going on to next page. Here, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So, as we know, the father of Indian Renaissance, Raja Ram Mohan Roy started two major newspapers. One is Samvad Kaumudi in Bengali, other is Miratul Akbar in Persian, 1821 and 1822 respectively. The next one is Bangduta. Actually, this newspaper was published in four languages: in Hindi, English, Bengali, and Persian. Dwarkanath Tagore was also associated with this newspaper along with Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Okay, talking about Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he first started Atmiya Sabha in 1815. Then he started Brahmo Sabha, which were later converted into Brahmo Samaj in 1828. What happened after this? After death of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Brahmo Samaj divided into two groups. One group is led by Devendranath Tagore, other is Keshav Chandra Sen. The group led by Keshav Chandra Sen is known as Brahmo Samaj of India, and the other one is known as Adi Brahmo Samaj. Mr. Devendranath Tagore started a journal known as Tattva Bodhini Patrika, while Keshav Chandra Sen also edited Indian Mirror. After some times, when Keshav Chandra Sen's radical activities has been increased, so some people got disassociated with it and started Sadharan Brahmo Samaj. Sadharan Brahmo Samaj journals are Tattva Kaumudi, Indian Messenger, Sanjivani, Navya Bharat, and Pravasi. There were two more important newspapers in this page. One is Bombay Time, which is now known as Times of India. It was started by Robert Knight and Thomas Bennett. It is now owned by Bennett and Coleman Company Limited. Second is Rast Goftar. It was started by Dadabhai Nauroji in 1851. Dadabhai Nauroji, as we know, was known as Grand Old Man of India and also gave drain theory in his book Poverty and Un-British Rule of India. Then came Hindi Patriot. Okay, Girish Chandra Ghosh. Girish Chandra Ghosh started two newspapers. It means he was a founder of two major newspapers. One is Hindu Patriot, other is Bengali. But after some time, both of his newspapers were taken over by some other persons and who they become editor. This Hindu Patriot was taken over by Harishchandra Mukherjee, and next one, the Bengali, was taken over by Surendranath Banerjee. Then came Mr. Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak started Kesari in Marathi and Maharatta in English in 1881 from Bombay itself. Along with Tilak, V.S. Chiplunkar, Mr. Akarkar, and Professor Kalkar was also part of this thing. Then came Swadesh Mitram. This was the newspaper started from Madras and by G. Subramaniam Iyer. G. Subramaniam was also co-founder of The Hindu. Then came Yugantar, Kal, Sandhya. All of these newspapers were belongs to revolutionaries. So Yugantar was started by Barindra Kumar Ghosh and Bhupendranath Datta. Sandhya in 1906 by Brahmabandhav Upadhyay. And next one is Kal. All these three newspapers were has some association with Anushilan Samiti. Please tell me in comments who were the founder and members of Anushilan Samiti. Next one is Indian sociologist. Okay, So these 4-5 newspaper which we are going to see, ये बाहर से एडिट होते थे. People like श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मन, मैडम भिकाजी कामा, they used to uh, publish it from outside. So Indian sociologist by Shyamji Krishnavarman from London. Shyamji Krishnavarman is also famous for Shyamji Krishnavarman was also famous for Indian Home Rule League and Indian House in London. Then came Bande Mataram. This was the newspaper started by Madam Bhikaji Kama from Paris. Bhikaji Kama was also the first lady to unfurl Indian flag on any foreign soil. Then came Talwar, Free Hindustan, Gadar and Reshwa. Gadar is associated with Gadar party. Free Hindustan is Tarak Nath Das and Talwar is from Virendranath Chattopadhyay. Then we will learn something about B.G. Tilak. B.G. Tilak was extremist. He started Shivaji and Ganesh festival during Swadeshi movement. He vouched for Swaraj, which was first chosen by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. He established Home Rule League with Annie Besant. Also, two more important thing about B.G. Tilak was he opposed Age of Consent bill, and he gave a Arctic home of Vedas. That means Arctic. Sorry, it was wrongly written. It was Arctic home of Aryans. Then came Bombay Chronicle from 1913. It was started by Firoz Shah Mehta. Editor was B.G. Horniman. The Hindustan Times, Milab, Leader, etc. The important newspaper of this page was Milab by M.K. Chand, Leader by Madan Mohan Malviya, who was also a founder of Banaras Hindu University. Then came Bahishkrit Bharat by B.R. Ambedkar. I will make some separate video on B.R. Ambedkar and some other important persons. Then came Kudiyarasu. Kudiyarasu is by E.V. Ramaswamy Nayakkar, who is also known as Periyar. Please tell me in comments which is the famous movement related with E.V. Ramaswamy Nayakkar. Then came Langan and Ganbani. Then came Bandi Jeevan. It was started by Sachindranath Sanyal, and he wrote this in Andaman jail. Then came National Herald, which was started by our first PM Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you. This was the first video in this series. Please tell me in comment if you want more videos on any such topics. And please like, share and comment Bodhisattva IAS.